From an $800 street sleeper pushing 350 watts to a $19,000 carbon fiber mountain destroyer, the electric bike market has officially gone insane. These are the most powerful and most specialized production e-bikes, and the numbers are borderline ridiculous. Let's start with the surprise gems under $2,000. The Hurley Carve, at $851, proves that effective electric assistance doesn't require a second mortgage. The 350-watt hub motor delivers 20 miles per hour of real-world performance through an elegantly simple single-speed drivetrain, perfect for urban professionals who want electric assistance without complexity. 30 miles of range hits the sweet spot for city commuting, though hills will drain the battery faster. The 700C wheels with road tires make it nimble in traffic, but limit it to smooth pavement. The steel frame absorbs road vibration better than you'd expect at this price point. However, the basic caliper brakes require more frequent adjustment than hydraulic systems. Perfect for college students, urban apartment dwellers, and anyone entering the electric bike world without breaking the bank. The ENGWE EP2 Pro revolutionizes the folding category at $849. The 750-watt motor peaks at 960 watts, pushing this compact machine to 26 miles per hour. But here's the clever part. The 48-volt 13-ampere-hour battery hides inside the frame while delivering 75-plus miles of range. Impressive for a folder. The 20-inch wheels with fat tires provide stability that other folders can't match. The frame folds in under 30 seconds for easy storage or transit, though the mechanism needs regular maintenance to prevent play. Perfect for commuters who combine cycling with public transit, or anyone with limited storage space. Not recommended for aggressive trail riding or riders over 250 pounds. The Lectric XP Trike brings three-wheeled confidence at $1,499. The 1,092-watt peak rear hub motor uses an open differential axle, meaning each rear wheel can rotate independently for smooth turns. The 14-mile-per-hour speed limit might seem conservative, but it's perfect for riders who prioritize stability over speed. The hydraulic brakes include dual parking brake mechanisms, essential for secure stops on inclines. The battery delivers 50 miles of real-world range, and the UL 2849 certification provides peace of mind. Ideal for riders with balance concerns, seniors seeking active transportation, or anyone who needs maximum stability with cargo capacity. The Super 73 S2 brings moped-style attitude at $3,100. The 750-watt nominal motor secretly pushes way more power, hitting 28-plus miles per hour in off-road mode. The 960-watt-hour battery delivers 40-plus miles at full throttle, stretching to 75 with pedal assist. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame carries riders up to 325 pounds. The adjustable air spring fork and fat BDGR tires, 20 by 4.5-inch front, 5-inch rear, soak up urban obstacles like they don't exist. Perfect for urban explorers and delivery riders who want head-turning style with genuine capability. The 73-pound weight means you'll want a solid bike lock and ground floor parking. The Romeo Pro 2 defines the high-power hybrid category at $2,699. Dual motors combine for 3,000 watts of peak power, backed by a massive 52-volt 60-ampere-hour battery. Here's the impressive part. The dual 30-ampere controllers and reinforced front fork handle this power without breaking a sweat. The 26-inch by 5-inch tires and custom reinforced front fork mean business. The headlight throws light over 100 feet forward, critical when you're pushing 44 miles per hour at peak power. Each motor delivers 100 Newton-meters of torque, which explains how this machine can tackle 45-degree inclines like they're gentle slopes. Jump to the Anioki A9 Pro Max at $2,899. Dual 1,800-watt motors combine for 4,800 watts peak output, enough to hit 45 miles per hour and tackle 45-degree inclines. The dual 52-volt 32-ampere controllers deliver smooth power, but here's the catch. This much juice demands serious battery capacity. The 52-volt 60-ampere-hour system delivers 100 to 200 miles of range depending on terrain and riding style. Perfect for delivery riders, commuters who hate range anxiety, and weekend warriors who want one bike to do it all. The 72-tooth crankset helps offset the battery weight, but you'll feel every pound when the battery runs dry. Think that's impressive? Stay tuned for the specialist machines, from single-wheel urban missiles to cargo haulers that make pickup trucks nervous. Plus, we're about to see what happens when engineers get a blank check to build the ultimate electric bike. Speaking of unique rides, the veteran Sherman L stands alone at $5,999. This single-wheel marvel packs a 4,000 watt-hour battery system that's revolutionizing personal transport. The dual redundant Hall sensors make this the first truly reliable one-wheeler. When others fail catastrophically, the Sherman L keeps you upright and rolling. The 90mm Fastace hydraulic suspension offers 3 spring rate options: 62 pounds for riders under 220 pounds, 66 pounds for heavier riders or those who prefer a stiffer ride, and 70 pounds for extreme riders doing big drops. The suspension isn't just about comfort, it's critical for maintaining tire contact during aggressive maneuvers. The true innovation lies in the electronics. 36 dedicated MOSFET drivers rated at 200 volts and 140 amperes each ensure smooth power delivery. The Smart BMS technology monitors individual cell voltage and temperature, extending battery life and preventing thermal runaway. 20-amp charging capability means you can refill the massive battery in under 3 hours. The Grizzle.onfly CF7 attacks the gravel category with surgical precision at $5,200. Bosch's latest SX motor weighs just 4 kilograms while pumping out 55 Newton-meters of torque. The 400 watt-hour battery accepts a 250 watt-hour range extender, but that extra battery adds weight exactly where you don't want it, high in the frame. Canyon's collaboration with Lupine produced an ingenious lighting system. The integrated rear sight stays provide full visibility, while the front Nano SL beam cuts through darkness. A clever 2-hour lighting reserve ensures you'll never be stranded in the dark, even after motor power depletes. The carbon frame geometry strikes a perfect balance between stability and aggressiveness. The all-internal cable routing keeps everything clean while making maintenance more complex. You'll need a professional mechanic for major service, but the reliability means those visits are infrequent. The Gazelle Ultimate T10 brings Dutch engineering excellence to city streets. The Bosch Performance Line's 75 Newton-meters of torque flows through sophisticated power management. The integrated 625 watt-hour battery disappears into the frame, making it look more like a premium city bike than an electric powerhouse. The Kiox 300 display provides clear metrics without overwhelming the rider. Over-the-air updates keep the system current, though the companion app occasionally struggles with connection stability. Perfect for sophisticated commuters who value integration over raw power. The 53.6-pound weight makes it manageable in apartments, but watch those stairs. The electric bike revolution keeps accelerating. Subscribe now for in-depth analysis of next-generation technology and real-world performance testing. The YJ-TAN Cargo Tricycle redefines utility at $5,199. This workhorse packs a 1,000-watt brushless differential motor and hauls an astounding 1,100 pounds. The 70.8-inch cargo box isn't just massive, it's an engineering masterpiece of emboweled steel construction. The hydraulic shock absorption system, with its industrial-grade dampeners, keeps load stable through corners and over bumps. The anti-slip controller prevents unwanted acceleration during downhill reverses, a feature you'll appreciate the first time you back down a loaded driveway with 500 pounds of cargo. The integrated parking brake system can hold the fully loaded trike on a 15-degree incline indefinitely. Think we're done with specialized machines? We're about to reveal the premium tier, including a bike that costs more than some cars and can travel 300 miles on a single charge. Plus, we'll see what happens when engineers get a blank check to build the ultimate mountain destroyer. The Iahora M1P sidecar reimagines personal transport at $3,498. The 60-volt system with a 30-ampere-hour lithium battery delivers 40-plus miles of range with a full passenger load. The removable battery pack is convenient, but the 5-ampere charging rate means you're looking at 4 to 6 hours for a full charge. The sidecar's engineering deserves special attention. The integrated shock absorbers and aerodynamic windshield transform this from mere transportation into a legitimate family vehicle. The main frame uses aircraft-grade aluminum to keep weight manageable while maintaining structural integrity for sidecar loads. The dual-disc brake system features redundant hydraulic lines. If one fails, the other keeps you safe. The learning curve for sidecar handling is real. Expect to spend your first few hours mastering low-speed maneuvers and understanding the unique dynamics of three-wheel asymmetrical steering. Perfect for parents with young children, pet owners, or anyone who needs occasional passenger capacity without stepping up to a full cargo trike. The Pivot Shuttle AM represents the bleeding edge of mountain bike engineering at $15,112. The Bosch Performance Line CX race motor pairs with a 750 watt-hour battery to create something extraordinary. The 160mm Fox Factory suspension and progressive frame geometry make this bike frighteningly capable on terrain that would stop lesser machines dead. The hollow core carbon frame keeps weight reasonable, but here's the reality. This much technology requires serious maintenance commitment. The injection-molded rubber frame protection works brilliantly, though rock strikes can still damage the exposed motor casing. The cable port system keeps everything tidy, but initial setup requires patience and mechanical sympathy. Every component serves a purpose, from the Fox Factory Float X shock to the wireless Bosch remote. The flip-chip upper link mount lets you fine-tune geometry for different terrain. You can even run it as a mullet setup with mixed wheel sizes for the perfect balance of agility and stability. The Orbea Gain M10i redefines electric road bikes at $14,499. The Mali X20 rear hub motor delivers power with near telepathic sensitivity. It's so smooth you'll forget it's there until you hit a climb. The complete Shimano Dura Ace Di2 group set shifts with electronic precision, while the carbon frame weighs less than many non-electric bikes. The integrated seat clamp includes European standard lighting, and the internal cable routing creates the cleanest possible lines. The ICR cable routing system makes maintenance possible without headaches, a rare feat in the world of integrated cockpits. Perfect for road cycling purists who want assistance without compromising the road bike experience. The Optibike R22 Everest justifies its $18,900 price tag with mind-bending capabilities. The 3,260 watt-hour dual battery system paired with the PowerStorm motor delivers 190 Newton-meters of torque, nearly triple what most competitors offer. The carbon fiber frame and swing arm keep weight manageable despite the massive battery capacity. 300 miles of range isn't just marketing, it's achievable with reasonable pedal input. The dual crown downhill suspension fork handles anything you throw at it, though the proprietary parts can make repairs expensive and time-consuming. The new Pedelec torque sensor provides natural power delivery, while the PowerStorm MBB drive system lets you climb literally anything. The really clever part? This much range means you can tackle multi-day adventures without worrying about charging stations. The carbon fiber construction keeps the weight reasonable despite the massive battery capacity, though you'll still feel all that power plant on technical climbs. Electric bikes have evolved from simple commuters into highly specialized machines. From $800 urban warriors to $19,000 mountain destroyers, there's now a perfect electric bike for every rider and every mission. The Anioki A9 Pro Max remains our top all-around pick for its combination of power and range. The Pivot Shuttle AM dominates technical terrain. The YJ-Tan Cargo Tricycle redefines utility. But the Optibike R22 Everest shows just how far you can push electric bike technology when cost is no object.